Hi guys, welcome to Rishtaka channel. So guys, I'm discuss very important topic. So you are making a lot of images we can using watermark. So each image adding watermark we can using Canva is a more preference option is there. But at a time multiple images adding watermark. That mean by suppose you have 10 images, 20 images, how to add the watermark. So in this purpose, I have to select one website. This website mean by is a complete for swimming pool website. This mean by swimming pool website. So in this website, you have to create lot of images with logo and with the website link. In these all options, it all image at a time once. How can I add the watermark? So this is the website. Is a nearby Gachibowli Kondapur. We can go to swimming here. As usual, we can use this option. In this image, for posting purpose, for the posting purpose, how we can add the image for 10 images, 20 images, how to add the logo. The particular website will be called fasttone.org. In this go to download, they all now option is called Fasttone Photo Resizer. Here option is called you can add logo and the image size will be increased. Lot of options are there. We can add the text option. Everything will be flexible. We can download this option. When click download, we have the latest files are here. Which file they can download the first option. After download this one, simple we can go to here is the photo resizer. In this one, where your files are there, open your files. In this, we have to where your images are there, select images and add on in this. So video also option is there, but we are adding only for images. Before this one, first of all, I'll show you this image will be logo is there or not. See this. Any image, no logo will be there. I'm adding with the logo and logo adding images. Okay. Now select your browse file where you can add the file will be. You can add your particular file option. So select. Okay. Go to advanced option. In this, we can add your text watermark, which is a company important will be watermark. As usual, you can go to your folder. So where is your logo? Logo with the website compulsory important. Logo with the website link. Okay, done. Now, where you can select the position. Position is a mandatory field. So the position will be compulsory useful. Here, position will be top left, top center, top right, center. We can using for bottom left, bottom center, bottom right, and give the center option. So background, this will be here, and this little bit increase your option. After that, we can go to particular resize will be there. This option will be particular. Rotate screen, crop image, canvas, color depth, adjustment, DPI, can add your text and watermark and a border. So right now I'm adding only for watermark. Now click for image. Simple, only three options you can change. First image will be added. Next your where you can save this file and advanced option add your watermark and text and the sizes will be depend on your option. Now here, sir, how many images we can add? We can add n number of images. No need to worry. N number of images. We can add the logo on the particular Fastor Photo Resizer. Don't forget the name. Fastor Photo Resizer 4.3. Now we can convert. All file will be convert. Previous nothing is there. Now logo will be in the center option. this will be add your particular logo option. Suppose in this second pattern. So compulsory have a lot of doubts are there. So how we can using for second pattern? Second pattern, advanced option, top left, okay, and convert. You can using for top left. This will be top left. You can move to the top right, top left, anything will be possible in your option. This is nothing but watermark. Add your logo. Nobody can copy the purpose. This is your logo purpose. You can use this option. So Fastone website, you can go to download the Fastone photo resizer. Fastone, this website name, you can use it. Fastone.org website you can use and download file. Anything download link will be need in the description part. I'll provide the link. You can follow the download the link also. This will be help on the particular users to use on the anytime adding for watermark text resize the images purpose. Canva will be adding one by one. So this will be helping for anytime adding for multiple images for logo purpose. So they can use and keep on working for add the image for the particular watermark and the logo will be trademark purpose. Nobody can copyright purpose. If any doubts about this, ask me Distracted channel. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe and share your videos to your anyone to like the option. Thank you. Thank you very much.